Anthropic has released a new version of Claude that's aimed at handling queries not just for human users, but from agentic AI. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. The company says its new Sonnet 5 model is capable of handling agentic tasks and delivering performance specs similar to its recent Opus models, but at lower prices. Starting September 1st, Sonnet 5 will cost $3 per million input tokens as a base and $15 per million output tokens. Before that date, the prices will be even lower compared to the Opus 4.8, which currently costs $4 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens. It'll be available at those prices in Claude Code and the Claude platform. Sonnet 5 will also be available for all subscriptions, including as the default model for Anthropic's free and pro tiers of Claude plans. And since agentic AI tools make vastly more queries of a model than a human is even capable of making, those agents are largely responsible for instances where customers, particularly enterprise businesses, blow huge amounts of their budgets on tokens. But if you don't want that much limit, you can dive a little deeper into the subscription plans. There are still free options for casual users. And while this may not prevent all overspending, Sonnet 5 takes advantage of a new tokenizer to offer greater efficiency to parties that are heavy agentic users. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.